In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Airtable credits. Whether you're new to Airtable or simply looking to make the most of the credits available to you, this tutorial will help you navigate the Airtable platform with ease, ensuring you efficiently access and utilize your credits. Once you've signed in with your credentials, you'll find yourself on Airtable Home. Consider this as your main command center on Airtable. This dynamic hub offers you access to all your projects and any ongoing collaborations you're diving into. It's where your journey begins every time you log in, and understanding this space well will undoubtedly improve your efficiency. As you explore the home page, shift your focus towards the top right corner. Here, you'll notice your profile picture or perhaps your initials, which vary based on your account settings. By clicking on this icon, a drop-down menu reveals itself, offering several options to manage your profile. Choose the option that leads you to your profile. This is where you'll manage your account settings and personalize your viewing preferences to suit your needs. Next on our list is Spotting the Account tab. Clicking this opens the Account Management section. This area is essentially your control room for all personal details and settings related to your account. It's in this section that today's main topic, credits, resides. Within your account settings, you'll discover the credits option. Clicking here unveils all the crucial details concerning the credits you've collected over time. You'll be able to see how many credits are sitting in your account, their expiration dates, and any other key details you might find useful. This is the heart of today's lesson, providing you the insight needed to manage and utilize these credits wisely. Now, if questions pop up about how credits work or how exactly you could earn more, don't worry. There's an uncomplicated answer. Look for the link aptly named Learn More About Referrals and Credits. Clicking here takes you to a page rich with detailed explanations about how Airtable credits function. This knowledge can become a powerful tool, especially if you're planning to up your game by inviting others to join the platform. For those eager to delve even deeper, make sure to check out another neat link within this section, Referrals and Credits. Clicking on this gives you a more in-depth view of earning extra credits via referrals. If you're surrounded by peers or colleagues who might benefit from Airtable, this section becomes particularly beneficial. It opens the possibilities for both you and them to enjoy the perks of the referral program. So there you have it. A straightforward guide on how to access and make the most out of your Airtable credits. You've not only learned how to navigate the platform, but also how to maximize your experience by using the resources available. Thank you for watching, and I hope you put those credits to good use.